Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing a Samba workout that goes from level 1 to level 5, so beginner to advanced. By the way, we are working on a new program, so if you would like to be the first person to know when it goes live, please sign up using the link in the description below. Alrighty guys, it is level 1. We're just gonna bounce, we're gonna have a basic, we're gonna have a side basic, a whisk, and a stationary samba walk. Get ready. Let's just bounce. Very good. Get ready. And 5, 6, basic, go. Forward. Back. Very good, guys. We have right foot forward, left foot back. And back to that bounce. Very good. We're going to go into a side basic. Get ready. Here we go. Side. Side and together. Very good, back to that bounce. Alrighty, we are going to go into a whisk. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, whisk, here we go. Side and cross behind. And back to that bounce. Very good. Last step, stationary samba walk. Get ready. 5, 6, here we go. Together, back. And back to that bounce. Here we go. Basic step, here we go. Forward, back. Side basic, go. Whisk. Stationary samba walk. Back. Back. And back to that beginning basic. Side basic. And whisk. Stationary samba walk. Back to that beginning again. Go basic step. Side basic. Whisk. Stationary. Back to that basic. Side basic. And done. Alrighty guys, good job. We are at level 2. We have Botafogo, we have Volta, we have Corta Jaca, and Samba walk forward and side. Get ready. We're gonna start with that Botafogo. 5, 6, here we go. Cross, side. Keep it up. And back to that bounce. We're gonna go into a volta, get ready. Right foot, here we go. Cross and switch. Cross, switch. 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 Back to that bounce. Get ready, Corta Jaca. 6, here we go. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, toe, heel. Do it again. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, and back to that bounce. Go, bounce. Very good. Samba walk forward, samba walk side. Get ready. 5, 6, here we go. Forward, side, forward, side. Walk it back, back, 2, 3, 4, bounce 5. Do it again. Go. Forward, side, forward, side. Walk it back, back, 2, 3, bounce. Very good, Botafogo. Here we go. Botafogo. Volta. Porta jaca, here we go. Step, heel, toe, heel, step. Samba walk, go. Forward, side, forward. Bring it back, back, 2, 3, bounce. Get ready, Botafogo, go. Very good. Volta. 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, guys. Very good. All right, level 3. We are here. We have a solo spot volta, a box step, a circular volta, and a back Botafogo. Get ready. We're gonna do that solo spot volta. 6. Here we go. Cross, cross, bounce. Cross, cross, bounce. Turn. Keep it up. Very good. And bounce. All right, guys. Here we go. We're going in for a box. 5, 6, 5, 6. Box. Here we go. Forward, side, back, side. And back to that bounce. Very good. Get ready. Circular volta we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to that bounce. Go. Bounce. Very good. Back Botafogo. 5, 6. Here we go. Back. Keep it up. Very good. Get back to that bounce. Here we go. And bounce. Get ready. We're gonna put it all together. 5, 6, solo spot, volta, go. Turn, bounce, turn, bounce. Keep it up. Turn, bounce, turn, box, step, go. Again. And 1, 2, 3. Switch. Do it again. Back Botafogo, here we go. Again. Get ready. Solo spot volta. Bounce. 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 Box. Do it again. Get ready, circular volta. Do it again. Back Botafogo, get ready, here we go. 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty, guys. We are at level 4. We have fast karaoke runs, we have slow karaoke runs, we have whisk with a ronde, and we have a grapevine. Get ready. Let's start with a bounce. 5, 6, 7. We have quick, 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 quick. And back to that bounce. We're gonna go now slow. Ready? Here we go. Slow, 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 slow. slow, a slow, slow, a slow, slow, a slow, slow, a slow, slow, a slow. Keep up, a slow, a slow, a slow, slow, back to that bounce. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do a whisk with the grande. We're gonna bring that left foot to the side. Get ready, here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Keep it up.
Él me decía que esa falda era muy fea, porque sus celos nunca dejaron que fuera bella.
Back to that bounce.
Me controlaba todas las noches.
Very good. Get ready.
Con sus peleas.
We're gonna do grapevine. Right foot crosses in front. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back to that bounce. Go. Bounce. Very good, guys. We're gonna put this together. Here we go. Fast karaoke runs. Ready? And quick, 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 quick. Here we go. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2, 4, and bounce. Very good. Get ready. 5, 6, fast. Here we go. Quick, quick, quick.
Solo quiero ser
6, slow, 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 slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And bounce. 5, 6, here we go. Quick, 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 quick. Keep it up. And slow. Slow, 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 slow. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys. Woo. Very good job. We are at our last and final level, level 5. We have a turning box. We have a slow bachata. We have a fast bachata. And then we have a little funky combo for you. Get ready. 5, 6, turning box. 5, 6, here we go. Forward, back, forward. Do it again. Back to that bounce. Very good. Get ready. Slow bachata. Right foot going back first. Slow, 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 slow. We're gonna transition to the fast ones. Go, fast. Keep it up. Quick, quick, quick. 5, 6, 7, and back to that bounce. Very good, guys. Get ready. I'm gonna show you this funky combination. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, turn, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, turn, side, together. Cross, turn, side, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, turn, side, together. Okay? Get ready. Everything together. 5, 6, turning box. Here we go. Slow bachata. Slow. Slow. Quick. Quick. 6, 7, 8. Boom. And cross, turn, side, box. Turning box. Batucada. Quick. And cross, turn, side, together. Very good. Slow, slow. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, turn, side, together. Slow batucada. Quick, funky combo. Keep it up. And cross, turn, side. Keep going. Slow. Keep it up. Finish it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.